warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, since you are the last class and the last group, maybe. Okay, are you ready? Okay, ready or not ready? You must be ready. Okay. The first group, the stage is yours.
The Family Court Case 072/F/2025 regarding the custody of the minor child is ulang Pak. The Family Court Case 072/F/2025 regarding the custody of the minor child is openly closed for public. Only involved parties may remain staying in the courtroom.
The legal authority of the plaintiff says that they cannot present a child as a witness due to illness.
We're calling all involved parties to enter the courtroom. We're gathered here today to hear the custody dispute between Mr. Firmansyah and Ms. Sukita. Legal counsel, please introduce yourself clearly.
Good morning, Madam. My name is Armand. I am here of petitioner Mr. Firmansyah, father of Emily.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Mr. Abdul representing and defending Mr. Firmansyah, right?
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Ramdhani, representing the respondent, Ms. Sukita, the legal mother of Amelia.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Mansara Engineer, asking the response of Ms. Sukita to make sure the voice and right effort and respect in this court.
We note all the presence of all parties and their lawyer. Let us begin with the opening statement from the petitioner, continued by the respondent, please.
Your Honor, we appear before the court not related to court custody, but to advocate for the best interest of a child is liable of age to make an independent choice. Mr. Firmansyah is giving Amelia a steady home with education and selfless work. He worked for himself, not himself, but for the future.
Your Honor, parenthood should not be evaluated solely on the basis of material provision. It's about emotional presence, comfort, and connection between parent and child. Ms. Sukita has shown herself to be a mother who herself from adversity, to learn, grow, and rebuild herself for her child. Amelia has expressed her desire to live with her mother. That was must be honored.
Okay, thank you for the opening statement from the petitioner and the respondent. Please, Mr. Firmansyah, come forward. Mr. Firmansyah, you have given the opportunity to speak before the court. Allow.
Your Honor, I do not claim to be a perfect mother, but every moment my effort is dedicated to building of Amelia.
I cannot look her every night. That is true. But I make sure her needs and future are secure. I stand together for the all important of her. Is for day, is for the school, even night conversation. When I'm away, my mother, Amelia, my mother, is always there. She's loved Amelia like her own daughter.
Mr. Firmansyah, how often do you personally spend time with Amelia?
When I'm not off for work, I come home in time for dinner, help with her homework, and come with her before bed. or weekends to spend time engaging in recreational activities such as visiting the park, playing sport, or reading together. I just want her to know that they can do this method parenting.
Do you feel that Amelia have emotional bond with you?
We are close, but I admit that this is more open with her mother. Nevertheless, that in no way lessens the need of my affection for her. I just want the best for her. That it means letting go. But I still believe I can be her safe ever.
Thank you for your explanation. You might please return to your seat.
Thank you very much.
Okay, for the respondent, please submit up. Please come forward. Please submit that. You're not given the opportunity to speak before the card. Allowed.
Ms. Sofita, please rise and share your statement with the court.
Judge, I'm not perfect. I have experienced living personal setback, but I have met substantial progress in my recovery, but I must get for Amelia. I went to therapy, I work on myself, I learn from your past. I don't want Amelia to grow up feeling well. I wish for her understand that her mother will be a consistent and enduring presence in her life, through joy and sorrow.
Are you confident you can care for Amelia given mental health condition?
Absolutely, Your Honor. I still attend therapy session. I'm active operating support group, and it built a healthy routine for Amelia. Every morning, I take her to school, help her with homework, and every night I read her a bedtime story.
Ms. Sofita, how do you respond about your financial stability?
Your Honor, I work part-time from home. My income is not much, but it's enough. What I give to Amelia, just food and shelter, and I provide not only physical necessities but also emotional support and conditional affection. And if the court requires, I'm willing to work with Mr. Bimancia to support Amelia's education.
Thank you for your statement. Please return to your seat. Following in, we're calling the fact witness. Please come to the court. Your ID, please. We will ask you name,
Maharani,
age,
47,
address,
Jembatan Besi,
relationship with the petitioner.
domestic help.
Okay. Thank you. You might have a seat. We're given the opportunity for the respondent, continued by the petitioner, to ask the fact witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Rani, as the husband in Mr. Kumarsha's home, you must be familiar with Amelia's daily life. Can you discuss the part you have often?
Thank you, sir. Mr. Romancia is responsible person. He provides everything Amelia needs, but he is often not home. When that happens, I or Amelia's grandmother will still take care of her. Amelia generally personal adjusted, thus he tend to believe her. Very even, Your Highness. When his grandmother applies for life, she loves sorry and seems incomprehensible. They should obey this command.
Miss Rani, have you ever witnessed any violence in this family?
Never, Your Honors. During which I'm working with them, I say no physical violence.
Miss Rani, is there a noticeable difference in Amelia's behavior when she's with her mother and when she's with her father?
Yes, with her mother, Agnes more expressive, but with her father, she's sweeter. Perhaps because she's tired after work, or they're not used to long competition.
Thank you for your testify. You might please return to your seat.
Thank you, Agnes. We're calling the expert witness. Please come into the courtroom.
Miss Belfa, as the child psychologist who checked Amelia, what were your findings?
Amelia is a bright but emotionally sensitive child. She shows a strong emotional process with her brothers. She exhibits a heightened presence. She exhibits a heightened sense of emotional security and openness in her mother's presence.
Does the mother usually forgive what already true unrelated comments?
The heavy factors are important, but not everything. Research and medical experience show that the empirical evidence suggests that children naturally in emotional supportive environments demonstrate greater psychological well-being those present in offering affections and emotional stability.
How do you access Mrs. Sophie with the mental health story?
In particular, Sukita has shown great progress. She is consistent undergoing therapy and actively help. I recommend that physical person devoted to her with regular psychological techniques to make sure stability.
Is a 7-year-old child just normal?
Very well funded. At that age, a child can express any reason for their choices. Amelia clearly stated that she wants to live with her mothers.
Thank you for your testify. Ms. Belfa, you might please return to your seat.
Thank you. We're now giving the opportunity for the respondent to continue by the petitioner to answer your question.
Mr. Isni, according to the statement that has been given by Ms. Rani,
A housemate in
Mr. Firmansha's house, do you think Mr. Firmansha still has the right to get above custody of Amelia?
Standards, because I'm sure Mr. Firmansha Amelia's daily life.
To the legal counsel of Mrs. Sofia, could you please the nature of the relationship between Amel and her mother that justify
The relationship between Amelia and her mother Jessica is close, loving, and started change early in childhood. Therefore, in the best interest of the child, custody should rightly be granted to Mr. Vita.
for the final statement from the petitioner continuing by correspondent, please.
Just we acknowledge the mother's role in the child's life, but we emphasize the need for long-term stability. Mr. Firmansha is fully capable of providing health, education, safety, and international. Thank you.
Judge, Amalia has spoken. She finds comfort with her mother. The child's emotional needs are just as vital, if not more so, than material needs. We ask the call to order with a fair voice. Thank you.
After looking at all evidence through witness expert opinion,
We understand that both parents deeply love Amelia, but for her emotional balance and current happiness,
this court rules as follows. First, physical custody of the child, Amalia Monaco, is awarded to the respondent, Ms. Sophia. Second, legal custody should share remain for both parents. And third, visitation right for Mr. Firmansyah, including the school holidays and special occasion. And fourth, both parents are required to attend parental meetings to make sure Amelia healthy and upbringing remains. This verdict is not rendered to determine focus or picture. Rather, it's centered on the child's well-being. It is about love, about a child who should grow with love and support from both parents. We hope all the parties are cooperative for Amelia's future.
The case is closed.
Okay, second group, you ready? Okay, a minute for taking pictures. Okay? Second group, you ready? Bagian depan.
Ini apa satu nih? Bagaimana?
Okay, guys, ready? No. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
The significant area of his unprecedented growth, /2025 /2028 is human blood open and opposite in control system. All participating will benefit in the same.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. The agenda for today's hearing is the presentation of evidence and reading of the verdict. Therefore, plaintiff may now present the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Alright, Mr. Bond, please enter the courtroom.
Your name,
Curtis John,
your address,
Mulawarman Avenue, Sekarang,
your date of birth.
23, 1995 December.
Okay. Whether you have any relation to the plaintiff or defendant?
I don't have family relation with the plaintiff of the defendant. I'm just Mr. K's assistant.
Okay, Mr. John. Before giving the testimony, you will be sworn. Please. All my works. By Allah,
By Allah,
I swear
I swear
that I will
that I will
give the truth,
give the truth,
nothing
nothing
but the truth.
but the truth.
Okay, please take it on, Mr. John. Okay, but if also may I ask the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Alright, Mr. John. So, Mr. John, how long have you been as a patent assistant?
10 years, man.
And during your time as Mr. Captain Assistant, how often did Mr. Captain spend time with his daughter Noor with your observation?
Very often, even though he was busy, he always spent time for his doctor, taking her out, playing with her, and bringing the gift from his sister.
Okay, thank you, Mr. John. That's all, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, plaintiff counsel. Defendant's counsel, you may ask the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, Mr. John, are you sure the relationship was good or was it just an appearance?
I believe it was real. I often saw them together when they spent time with each other.
If you claim they were close, do you have any evidence?
Of course. Wait. Here, I have photographic evidence. I took this photo myself when they were on vacation.
Excuse me, can I sit?
All right, Your Honor. Your Honor, photos that you made up who came currently is not dissemination.
What? Are you kidding me?
Objection, Your Honor. The statement of the Judgment Council is baseless, Your Honor. The witness, Sir John, has pledged that he took the photo himself, Your Honor.
Defendant's counsel, objection has received. Please keep focus on your question, not your assumptions. Did you understand?
Well, forgive me, Your Honor. That's enough. Witness, did you personally take this photo?
Yes, Your Honor. I was always with Mr. Kevin.
Okay, do you have anything to add, Mr. John?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you may leave the courtroom. Okay, defendant, please present your witness.
Miss Sandy, please enter the courtroom. What's your name?
My name is Benty.
Your address? Your date of birth?
2nd January 2000.
Whether you have any family relation to the plaintiff or defendant?
I have no family relationship with her.
Alright, before giving testimony, you will be sworn in.
Okay, follow my words. By Allah,
By Allah,
I swear
I swear
that I will give the truth.
that I will live true,
Nothing
nothing
but the truth.
but the truth.
Okay, please accept me.
Plaintiff counsel, please proceed with questions.
Thank you, Your Honor. Alright, Miss Benty. So, as far as you know, how is the relationship between Noor and her father?
I say, it's very good.
Okay, Miss Benty. From your observation, is the matter with Mrs. Goldie actively involved in the child's care and daily life?
The associates between the mother and me, but Noor is more with me.
Has mother ever relapsed while with Noor? And did she ever hurt Noor with something?
Not physically, but verbally. She often spoke during this time. Afterward, she was calm herself and apologized.
So, Miss Benty, doesn't that mean that mother, Mrs. Coffin, is fully stable enough to take care of her child?
Objection, Your Honor. This is manipulative. My client went to therapy and got better. That doesn't make her unfit as a mother.
With all due respect for the council, facts are facts. We're talking about the child's future, not a sympathy for your client.
What? Sympathy? And you one wants to bring up my client, you plaintiff attorney? What? Enough! I don't want to courtroom. Please respect the procedure.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Defendant counsel, your questions?
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, Miss Benty, has the father ever acted harshly or neglected the child?
Not harshly, but when time for work, she sometimes neglected Noor.
Does you realize that she is sometimes neglected by her father?
She sometimes said, but she understand, but the father is tired.
Okay, she is a really good girl. Thank you, Miss Benty. That's all, Your Honor.
Why does the child spend more time with you and with her parents?
Because her parents are busy and it's my job as a babysitter. The mother often goes to the hospital to treatment and the father well for work.
Alright, anything you like to add?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, witness. You may leave the courtroom. So, do either party have expert witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor, we have two expert witnesses.
Okay, please bring them in.
Miss Nova and Miss Lisa, please enter the courtroom.
So, first witness, what is your name?
My name is Anissa.
What is your date of birth?
On July 22nd, 2000,
And where is your address?
Gajimana Street.
Do you have any family relation to the plaintiff or defendant?
I have no family relation to the party and the psychologists assessing groups political scene.
Thank you, first witness. So, second witness, what is your name?
My name is Nova.
Where is your address?
Gajimana Street,
And what is your date of birth?
November 11, 2000.
Do you have any family relation to the defendants or plaintiff?
No, Your Honor, I'm just psychologist from this body.
Okay, so before making your testimony, you both will be sworn in.
By God,
By God,
I swear
I swear
that I will give
that I will give
the truth,
the truth,
nothing
nothing
but
but
the truth.
the truth.
Please take my
So we will hear from each expert separately. So second witness, please step outside.
Yes, Your Honor.
So first witness, please give your statement about the child psychological.
Thank you, Your Honor. I assess Noor. She has an emotional bond with both parents, but feels more emotionally comfortable with her mother. However, she worries about her mother's condition throughout the years tired or sick. And with her father, she feels self-doubt without knowing. I conclude that Noor needs a stable environment and consistent caregiver. Custody shall be best and who can provide long-term stability while maintaining relationship with both parents.
Thank you, first witness. So do either party have questions?
Yes, there is, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, Ms. Misa states that Noor feels more comfortable with her mother. Can you explain what indicators or criteria were used to infer this comfort?
Noor's comfort with her mother can be seen from Noor more open attitude when talking about her mother. However, the relationship with her father is also positive. Noor said that she feels sad with her father. And this shows that both parents play an important emotional role for Noor.
Thank you, Ms. Nisa. That's all, Your Honor.
All right, so is there anything to ask from the plaintiff side?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, first witness, you may leave the courtroom.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So first witness, second witness may please enter the courtroom now. First witness, second witness, please give your assessment about the mother's health condition.
Yes, Your Honor. I've been prescribed psychologist. She has been diagnosed with mental bipolar disorder, a mental condition that causes extreme mood swing, where she may lose control over her moods, feeling, and action. However, her condition has improved. So, I asked the court to consider this context in judging her action, responsibilities, and professional.
Thank you, second witness. Is there anything to ask from the either party?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Alright, so Mrs. Nova, as Mrs. Colby's psychologist, does Mrs. Colby mental health condition affect to the national stability and setting of the children under her care?
Yes. Bipolar disorder can affect Miss Colby's emotional stability and pose a risk to child safety. But with proper care, she can manage her condition and take good care of the child.
Thank you, Mrs. Nova. That's all from Your Honor.
Thank you. So is there anything to ask from the defendant side?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so second witness, you may leave the courtroom.
Okay, next, please bring in a child accompanied by their guardian. Hello there. Could you kindly tell us your full name?
Hello, my name is Eppendi.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
And do you know why you're here now?
No, I don't.
Let me ask you, between your mom and dad, who are you closer to?
So Miss Kelly,
So you're not close to your parents?
I am, but that is busy with work and mom often goes off. So I spend more time with me. But that, but that often takes me out and makes me lots of place.
No. Who would you rather live with?
Mm, I want to be with everyone. Your Honor, the child is specially sent to maintain contact with his parents.
Alright, thank you dear. Guardian, please escort the child.
All right, Your Honor.
Okay? Plaintiff, please make your statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. I just love my child with all my heart. Since her birth, I've done my best to support her development. It's not my will to separate her from her mother. I just want to continue what I've done for her. And I believe that I can provide her with stable care and financial support. I'll do this out of love and concern. Thank you, Your Honor.
Why did you take away
Because
our
of
time?
security.
Don't you know everything not because of my will? You know very well. Nur is the reason I survive.
I will not fight. I'll do all of this because she getting what she deserves instead of me.
Okay, both of you. Please control your emotions. This is a courtroom, not a reconciliation room. Did you understand?
I apologize, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, plaintiff. Defendant, your statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I am under treatment at the law. But I love my daughter here. She is my life spirit and the reason I keep fighting to recover. Even if I'm not perfect, my love as mother here never faded. I just want to remind the world of her life because no one can reply mother's love.
Thank you to both parties. Next agenda is the verdict. This hearing is adjourned for 30 minutes.
Stop dulu ya.
Oke, Pak.
The technique case is common. Code is assumed. Code exception. First, the plaintiff's claim is fully branded. Number two, custody of representation is granted to the plaintiff. Number three, the defendant is ordered to hand over the child to the plaintiff. Number four, the defendant is granted regular, scheduled visitation and communication rights with the child. Number five, all child care, education, and living costs are to be borne by the plaintiff. Number six, court costs are to be paid by the defendant. Payments to be case number 002/2018/PSUBT decisions. The panel of Judge Levy heard all the parties and examined the evidence. Rules as follows. Number one, plaintiff's claim is granted. Number two, custody of representancy born January 31, 2018 is granted to the plaintiff. Number three, plaintiff is required to provide access to the child to meet the defendant twice a week at the plaintiff residence. Number four, costs are to be borne by the plaintiff. Court is closed. Okay, plaintiff and defendant may allow the defendant.
Saya would like to take a picture. Come on. You have a minute to take a picture. Okay, for the sudut, ya, ada bilang. And the end of the performance. Okay, now we continue to the last group. Last group. Last group, please. Okay. Ayo.
The trial for the judicial review of the Electronic Information and Transaction Law against the Constitution of Republic Indonesia. Case number 10/BW-13/2025 is hereby officially open and declared open for the public. We now summon the involved parties to enter the courtroom. First, the panel of judges will verify the presence of the parties, starting with the petitioner. Are you Ridonaldi, Mr.?
Yes, I am Ridonaldi.
Next, may we hear from the legal counsel representing the petitioner?
Present today as the legal counsel for the petitioner are Nur Aisa and myself, Estaquis, Your Honor.
And who are the representative from the state prosecutor office?
Representing the state today are Samtia Raisa, Nurjana, and myself, Fadila Fikoma, Your Honor.
This case concerns the judicial review of the Electronic Information and Transaction Law in relation to the constitutional guarantee of freedom of speech. We will now hear the argument from the petitioner. Mr. Ridonaldi, you may proceed.
Your Honor, I stand here not solely for myself, but for every citizen who has stepped to speak up for fair and just prosecution. I was arrested to telling the truth, not for inciting disorder.
Your Honor, the article of Electronic Information and Transaction Law, under which our client must defend our right and open report, only is to support public criticism. It is democracy we stand for. It is government, so our right of citizen voices.
Your Honor, freedom of speech does not equate to discriminate as an institution. The petitioner was
Promoting public
address and like factual evidence. The state has an
obligation
obligation to maintain
national security.
We now call upon the cybersecurity expert to provide their opinion.
Your Honor, after conducting a comprehensive digital analysis, I found no evidence of criticism as stated under digital law principle. The post in question does not meet the criteria for direct provocation.
Then, in your expert opinion, what was the petitioner intent behind the post, if not to insult the government or provoke the public?
The post was intended to foster public discourse and raise awareness regarding recent governmental performance. It was constructive criticism, not defamation.
Thank you for your opinion.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You can now exit the courtroom. We now call the human rights expert to present her views.
Your Honor, fear cannot be used as a justification to curtail freedom of speech. Convenient application of such laws will alienate the space for helping the democratic citizen. In my professional assessment, the detention of the petitioner is both unjust and constitutes a clear violation of human rights.
Could you elaborate on the basis of your opinion?
Yes, the petitioner is charged under Articles 27A and 27B of the IT Law for defamation. But there is no substantive evidence to support this. The content of the post does not
Inside the post, the president's face is clearly depicted. How can it look like
State prosecutors, the human rights experts are truly presenting her views. Interrupting is unacceptable. All parties here will have the opportunity to speak. Listen, this is your first warning. Further interruption will cause removal from the courtroom. Do you understand?
I understand. My sincere apologies.
Please continue.
Okay. While it is true that the president's image appears in the post, the criticism targets him in his capacity as a public official, not as a private individual. There are no personal attacks against Mr. Prabowo. Thus, the legal criteria for defamation are not satisfied.
Thank you for your opinion.
Thank you.
Each side may now deliver their concluding remarks.
Your Honor, the state is not suffering for reproach.
This is not about legal technicalities. It is about protecting the fundamental rights of every citizen.
We respectfully request for the constitutional court annul relevant article. The article law is the article law that infringes upon freedom of speech.
National security remains vital to the peace and stability of our nation. We urge the court to consider the long-term risks of revoking this article.
We only aim to prevent a situation that could lead to national division or disorder in the future.
After carefully reviewing the argument from both parties, the Constitutional Court declares that, first, Articles 27A and 27B of the EIT law are unconstitutional as they violated the right to freedom of speech enshrined in the 1945 Constitution. Second, these articles are therefore declared invalid and must be revised by the legislature. Third, the petitioner, Mr. Edonali, shall be released immediately as there is no substantive evidence of wrongdoing. Fourth, the losing party shall bear the court costs. The court is adjourned. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys.
Ada di depan saya. Oke.
Ayo pusing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bebas. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oke.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to say thank you everyone for the sacrifice and also for the preparation you have made, and then you made it. And then I found you all but made a good progress. No matter what condition you are in the first class of mine, okay, for the students who has had a good starting point, still made a good progress, specifically for students, untuk semua mahasiswa yang awalnya itu sangat amat kurang, dan alhamdulillah semua berprogres semua. Tidak ada satupun luput di mata Bapak. Ya. Dan Bapak hargai itu. Itulah tujuan Bapak mengajar. Segala sesuatu yang Bapak pikirkan, Bapak lakukan itu adalah untuk semua adik-adik merasa ada harga diri. Serius. Bapak tidak pengen ada mahasiswa yang rendah di mata kuliah ini, merasa rendah diri, merasa tidak punya apa-apa. Itu Bapak tidak pengen. Bapak pengen membuat semua kalian equal. Bagi mahasiswa yang sudah bagus dari awal, apa yang Bapak perlu asah lagi kemampuannya sehingga dia lebih optimal, tanpa meninggalkan yang sudah bagus, tanpa meninggalkan anak yang kurang tadi. Dan semua alhamdulillah tidak perlu UAS. Untuk di sini your minimal score would be A and B. A and B. Your minimal score. Yes, minimal score for this class. It means that your lower score in your class is A, B. Thank you semua, terima kasih. Semoga apa yang kita lakukan ini menjadi starting point untuk adik-adik mahasiswa yang kadang-kala masih kurang percaya diri dengan kemampuannya. Ketika kalian mau berusaha, ketika kalian mampu berjuang, maka di situ akan terlihat seperti apa itu. Makanya kata orang benar, usaha tidak pernah mengganti. Oke, thank you for everything. Dan tolong nanti minggu depan mungkin Bapak Pik ya, beberapa orang bisa datang nanti kita interview tentang secara langsung tentang apa performa Bapak di kelas kalian. Siapa tahu ada hal-hal yang perlu Bapak perbaiki lagi sehingga Bapak ke depan menjadi lebih baik lagi dalam mendampingi mahasiswa-mahasiswa. Karena tujuan Bapak adalah kehadiran Bapak memberikan faedah untuk semua mahasiswa. Terima kasih.
That's right, I like your style.
Sini saya, ini tidak boleh goyang. Nah, ini jangan di ini ya, tidak boleh goyang ya. Sama aksen. Mau.